Okay, we are now in number 7 of exercise 2.1 or problem sets in the long method derivative. In number 7, we have y is equal to this, the square root of 4x plus 3. So y is equal to the square root of 4x plus 3. Okay. For the number 1 to 6, I will put the link sa ating description box. Okay. Okay, by the use of short method, the answer must be, okay, 4 over 2. So the answer must be 2 over the square root of 4x plus 3. So 1 over 2 is so 4. Okay. Again, for this step number 1, let y is equal to y plus delta y and x is equal to x plus delta x. So y plus delta y is equal to the square root of 4 multiplied by x plus delta x. Okay. Plus 3. Okay. Transpose the y to the other side. Kaya magiging negative. So delta y is equal to the square root of 4x plus 4 delta x plus 3. Okay. Minus y, where y is equal to the square root of 4x plus 3. Okay, the next step is divide both sides by delta x. Okay, and then simplify it. Okay, to simplify it, gagamit na naman tayo ng factoring method where, okay, x squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y multiplied by x minus y. Okay, so ira-rationalize lang natin ito. So delta y over delta x is equal to the square root of 4x plus 4 delta x plus 3 minus the square root of 4x plus 3 all over by delta x. Okay, multiply by the square root of 4x plus 4 delta x plus 3. Okay, plus the square root of 4x plus 3. Okay, all over by itself. X plus 3. So the delta y over delta x is equal to x squared minus y squared. So magiging, okay, 4x over the square root of 4x plus 4 delta x plus 3 squared minus, okay, the square root of 4x plus 3 squared. Okay, all over by delta x. Okay, multiply by sa denominator na ito. Okay, so makakancel out na lang si square root dyan at si to the second. Same dito. So ang delta y over delta x natin is equal to 4x plus 4 delta x plus 3. Okay, minus 4x plus 3. Okay, all over by delta x. Okay, multiply by the square root of 4x plus 4 delta x plus 3. Okay, plus the square root of 4x plus 3. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo, may negative 4x plus 3 tayo dito at positive 4x and 3. So, pwede natin i-cancel out yan. So, ang natira is 4 delta x at may delta x din tayo dito. Pwede rin natin i-cancel out yan. So, the delta y over delta x is equal to 4 over the square root of 4x plus 4 delta x plus 3. Okay, plus the square root of 4x plus 3. Okay, so the last and final step, find the f prime of x or the y prime is equal to the limit of delta y over delta x as delta x approaches the 0. So the y prime is equal to the limit of 4 all over by the square root of 4x plus 4 delta x plus 3 plus the square root of 4x plus 3 as delta x approaches to 0. So the f prime, or I mean the y prime, is equal to 4 over the square root of 4x, okay, plus 4 delta x, where delta x equal to 0. So 4 multiplied by 0 is 0, plus 3, okay, plus the square root of 4x plus 3. Okay, sa denominator natin, meron tayong dalawang the square root of 4x plus 3. So magiging, okay, the f prime, or the y prime is equal to 4 over 2 is square root of 4x plus 3, where 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So magiging 2 over, okay, square root of 4x plus 3. So, ayan na yung final answer. Okay? 1, 2, 3. And then, okay. 1, 2, 3. So, ito na yung end ng solution natin sa number 7. Feel free to click the like and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa next upload natin. Okay, goodbye.